They say every hurricane brings rain, but what if I told you hurricanes also bring money and history? Back in 1951, Jamaica was hit by Hurricane Charlie, one of the deadliest in our history. It destroyed homes, crops, and businesses, but it also reshaped the economy. Because after the storm, the government printed millions in relief, money, insurance companies were born, and new building codes created entire industries from construction to cement. Every major hurricane since then, Gilbert, Ivan, Dean, now Melissa, has shifted how money moves in this country. Look around. When a storm hits, poor people lose everything, but rich people rebuild faster and richer. That's because hurricanes don't just destroy, they transfer wealth. Supplies, contracts, rebuilding deals, government aid, all that money flows upward. So as Hurricane Melissa farms, here's the truth. Storms will always come, but if you learn how money moves after disaster, you can position yourself to rise, not sink. If you found this powerful, like this video, share it with someone who needs to hear it, because every week we uncover how history, money, and power connect in Jamaica and the world.